Jai Hind one and all. Let us see continuation of 2 marks questions. Find the equation of the straight line which make pi by 4 with the x-axis. That means what? With the x-axis, with the positive x-axis, it is in the positive direction. Already we discussed in the trigonometry anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction is what? Positive direction. Clockwise direction is what? Negative direction. So here this is in the positive direction, that is in anti-clockwise direction. It is doing, the inclination is pi by 4, nothing but the angle, the inclination of the line with the positive x-axis is pi by 4. So that when you know the angle, how do you find the slope? M is equal to tan theta, that is tan 45 degrees, that value is 1. Here in our hand we know the slope, and here the point is origin 0 comma 0. So the equation of the line passing through origin is y is equal to mx. So what is m value here? 1. Hence the answer is y is equal to x. Next question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the origin and making equal angles with the coordinates. Equal angles with the coordinates. Once you see the question properly, what we have to find here? Find the straight line equation. Okay. Passing through origin. Passing through origin means it may pass through like this. It may be like our straight line may be like this and like this. It must be, there are so many possibilities to take straight lines, right? But what is the condition here? It is making equal angle. So exactly from the middle part it has to go, right? Then equal angle means this complete quadrant, first each quadrant contains 90 degrees angle, right? Equal angle means what? 45 degrees and 45 degrees. So the first possibility is 45 degrees. Okay, if you are taking a straight line here, it is covering first quadrant and third quadrant also. So what are the next possibility? You can take here also in second quadrant, in fourth quadrant. If I take a straight line, it is making 135 degrees the positive x-axis. We'll consider the angle with the inclination of the line with the positive x-axis only, that is we take it as theta. So what are the possibilities in our hand? Either 45 degrees or 135 degrees. So two choices we have now. So by taking this angle as theta, what is our slope? M is equals to, if you take tan 45 degrees, that is 1, tan 135 degrees, you solve it, you will get minus 1. So both 1 and minus 1 are the possibilities, and it is going through the what? Origin. So our, what is our point? 0 comma 0. The equation of the line passing through the origin is what? Y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. What is m value here? Plus or minus 1. So plus or minus 1 into x. That means y is equal to x or y is equal to minus x are the required straight line equations. See the next question. The angle made by a straight line with the positive x-axis, right, in the positive direction, positive x-axis in the positive direction 150. Just I am estimating, this is here 90 degrees and this is 180 degrees. Here you have 135 degrees. So it 135 will be like this. Just it's a rough diagram. M is equal to tan 150. If you solve tan 150, 180 minus 30, 180 minus means it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative, all sinic trained carrots, right? Minus tan 30 minus 1 by root 3 is the answer. And what is the given here? Y intercept. What is meant by intercept? I already told you in the previous class. What is the intercept? The line where the line intersect our coordinate axis. Here suppose this is a point C. C means what? 0 comma C on. This is y intercept. Here suppose you have A, that is A comma 0. This is what? This is x axis, x intercept. Here we have y intercept, C is equal to 2. That means our straight line is intersecting our coordinate axis, that is y axis, at 2. So equation of the line is, when you know this one, if you know a slope and intercept, y intercept, the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Simply you substitute the value of c here and also m value. That hence minus 1 by root 3 into x plus 2, that is x plus root 3 by minus root 3 is equal to 0. Next question is also same. Here we have to find the straight line equation. Inclination is given, theta is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. That is tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Tan theta is nothing but slope, right? M is equal to tan theta. That is slope is in our hand 2 by 3. And y intercept is 3. When you know the slope M and y intercept C, what is the straight line's equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. You replace the values and you will get the answer. See the next question. Find the angle. What we have to find? We have to find angle made by the straight line is given. You observe this. By observing this question itself, you can say the answer. This is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, right? So, what is m value here? M value is minus root 3 and c value y intercept is 3. Clearly you can say. So, with the positive direction of the x axis measured in the counterclockwise direction. See. Here the given equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So, that is m is equal to minus root 3, nothing but tan theta is equal to minus root 3, that value is tan 120. You find the value of tan 120, you will get minus root 3, hence theta is equal to 120. Find the angle which the straight line y is equal to root 3x minus 4 makes with the y axis. We have to find the angle, okay, and what is the given straight line here? Y is equal to root 3x minus 4, right? It is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. See, this value is m is equal to root 3, it is very clear, and c is equal to what? Minus 4. C value is need not here when you are finding angle. So, m is equal to root 3. By that you can write tan theta is equal to root 3. For what value of theta you will get root 3? Tan 60. So, hence theta is equal to 60. Is that your answer? No. This 60 degrees is what? This 60 degrees is angle made by the straight line, the inclination of our straight line with the positive x-axis is 60 degrees. Got it? But what we have to find? We have to find with the y-axis how much angle it is making, how much angle our straight line is making with the y-axis. This is our y-axis and how much it is making. This total quadrant have 90 degrees, here 60. What is the rest angle here? 30 degrees. That is 90 minus 60 degrees, that is 30 degrees is your answer. If you stop here, you won't get full marks, right? You have to write with the angle with the y-axis. See the next question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. That means what? Our straight line is cutting at equal intercepts, right? If you know, if a and b are a is an intercept of x axis and b is an intercept of y axis, then what will be the straight line equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But here what is the given thing? At equal intercepts it is cutting, right? So, I am considering, let the intercepts made by the required line be, I am considering both are equal. Instead of a comma b, both are a comma a only. Then what will be our equation? X by a plus y by a is equal to 1. That implies x plus y by a is equal to 1, which is equal to a. This is our equation now. But and now it is passing through minus 4 by 5. Passing through means what? Definitely it has to satisfy the equation. So, if I substitute here minus 4 plus 5, a is equal to 1. You are getting a is equal to 1. So, what are the intercepts? At 1 comma 0 and estimation of our line will be, our straight line is intersecting our x-axis and y-axis at 1. Here 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Our line will be like this. Okay. Here also both are equal and that value we are getting as 1. So, the equation of the required straight line is this one, x plus y is equal to 1. See the next one. This is also same as the previous one. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point minus 2 comma 4, okay, and making intercepts. Okay, intercepts means what? The points on axis which are intersecting which our line, straight line is intersecting, whose sum is 0. See, if I take a and a plus a won't be 0, right? So the answer, so the intercept may be, if you take 1, if you take 2, the another intercept may be minus 2. Then it will be 2 minus 2, it will become 0. But we don't know the value, so that we'll take a and minus a. Let the intercept made by the line will be a and minus a. Definitely their sum a plus of minus a, that is equal to a minus a is equal to 0. So one is positive, one is negative, we are getting, we have to take to satisfy the sum is 0. Hence the equation will be x by a plus y by b, that is in place of b you have minus a, is equal to 1. So hence the equation is x minus y is equal to a, and there is a point, it is passing through minus 2 comma 4. If we substitute minus 2 minus 4, the value is minus 6. A is equal to minus 6. So one is 6 and another one is minus 6. So how can you imagine, how can you draw your line, how can you say your straight line? Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6, suppose here you have, here you will have minus 6, right? Minus 6 comma 0, this is 0 comma 6. So therefore our line will be like this. Okay, right.